Alright, doing 2017 Elite Extra Edition 10 boxes. Thank you, everybody. Good luck. Romero, Palacios, Harrison Bader out of 99 quad jersey. That's Derek. Drew Waters for Trevor and the Braves. And Tommy Doyle, 150. Where do I want to go here? KJ Harrison, 200. Pavin Smith. Buddy Kennedy, 999. Travis Swaggerty out of 99. That's Reds West in the USA spot. And Mackenzie Gore out of 100 for KG and the Padres. Points? Okay. I'll watch out for those. Fowler, 150. Mackenzie Gore, 999. Guzman. Nick Gordon, 149. For C. Cabral. And Acuna, 60 out of 100 for the Braves. That was Justin Hunter fan. Nice hit, Trev. Jesus Sanchez, 200. Morgan Cooper. Robert. Willie Adams, 149. As Makers in the Rays. And Dunand for the Marlins. As JPW. Gavin Sheets, green out of 25. For Derek and the White Sox. Hurtado, 99. Matt Sauer. Diaz and Dustin Fowler, quad jersey, 149. That's for KG. Alright, box 2. Limos out of 100 for International. Stuart Fairchild. Castillo. Marinez, patch auto, 9 out of 10. That's Reds West. Or excuse me, that's JPW. And Valera for Renegade and the Indians. Lund, 999. Connor Wong out of 49. Jake Thompson, 999. Mars out of 99 for Endapal and the Red Sox. And Burks out of 100 for the Cubs. That is C. Cabral. Austin Beck. Griffin Canning out of 100. Ernesto, 999. Is that Guschetti? Probably just butchered his name. For Reds West. And Thomas Nido out of 25. For Derek and the Mets. Freeman. Guzman out of 150. Taveras out of 75 for the Red Sox. That is Endapal. J.P. Crawford out of 99. And Nelson Beltran, 999. Jacob Gonzalez. Castillo out of 99 for International. Oviedo, 999. Fido for Trevor and the Tigers. And Brennan Lund for the Angels out of 75. That's JPW. There's points there. 600 points. Baez, 999. Cooper. Matt Sauer out of 75. And Drew Waters out of 100 for the Braves. As Justin Hunter fan. Seth Corey. Isaac Paredes out of 35 for Justin Hunter fan and the Tigers. Kraus out of 49. Willie Adams dual jersey 149 for Makers and the Rays. Pavin Smith. Keep losing track of where I even want to. C's 250. Joseph Denond out of 75 for JPW and the Marlins. And out of 99, Oviedo for the Cardinals. And Derek. Romero, 999. Mackenzie Gore, 150. Luis Garcia, out of 50. As JPW. And Kyle Wright for Trevor and the Braves. Matt Sauer to 99. Vasquez, 999. Grant Koch out of 99. As Reds West in the USA spot. I don't know who that is. Who is it? Diaz for International. And JPW. And a Kemp out of 99. What's up, Card Shark? Berea, Fabiani out of 100. Garcia, Hazley for JPW and the Phillies. And Lucas Gordon for Reds West and Team USA. I've seen quite a few. There's plays left and right. Acuna out of 49. Connor Wong. Kopech to 99. For Derek. Tommy Doyle. That one's all banged up. For Makers, that's the same picture as Draft, isn't it? Just Photoshop jersey. I saw that one where Chad pulled is like 3 McKay autos. One was a plate. Joey Morgan. Jake Berger, $9.99. Bryce Tucker, Team USA. As Reds West. Senzel, out of 99. For Derek. And Luciano. It's definitely different than, well, I guess not different, but it's not hard to hit multiple autos of the same guy. Paredes, out of 100. Swaggerty for Reds West and Team USA. And Seth Corey for JPW and the Giants. Bob Thompson has the same photo. Diekman. Hunt out of 99. Mauricio, 9.99. Dustin Peterson, 39 out of 49. That's Justin Hunter fan and the Braves. And Vlad out of 75 for the Rockies. I think that's the same picture too. As Makers. Yeah, there'll be more up there, Derek. Evan Steele, 250. Rodriguez. And Rodriguez out of 49. That's JPW in the international spot. And Peralta for Makers and the Brewers. Ramos. Robert, 150. Bolanos. Reyes out of 99. As Reds West and the Orioles. And Dylan Busby out of 100. As Reds West and the Pirates. Drew Ellis. Valerio out of 99. Marte. Kevin Smith for JPW and the Blue Jays. And Marte for C. Cabral and the Twins. Nito, 999. Kirtley, 250. Todd. Acuna out of 99. For Justin Hunter fan. And Baez out of 99. For JPW in the international spot. Will Gaddis. Matt Sauer out of 100. Jimenez, 999. Shane Baz for Reds West and the Pirates. And Joey Morgan, that's definitely the same picture. For Justin Hunter fan and the Tigers. So they just send like do the players send in a picture to somebody, or? Yeah, I know, that's... You've already hit like 5 or 6 of those. Bukowskis. Ramirez, 150. Bryce Johnson. Pavin Smith. For Chris and the Diamondbacks. And Jacob Pearson out of 100 for JPW and the Angels. Gavin Sheets. Oops. Baez out of 99. Stuart Fairchild to 25. For Derek and the Reds. And Maitan out of 149 for Trevor and the Braves. Oh, okay. Hero out of 75. Andrew Vaughn for Reds West in USA, and Willie Adams, 149 for Makers. Corbin Martin. Hernandez out of 200. Florial. 999. Drew Ellis. Where's that one going to go to? It's not really USA, is it? That's just, should be Diamondbacks, right? And Petey Halpin out of 24, cracked ice. As for Reds West. Well, I just wasn't sure, because it's all the contenders so far have been USA, but that one's not really. That's just a college card. So that one will go to Diamondbacks. Brendan Little. Seth Romero. Paredes. Nito out of 49. That's Derek and the Mets. And Ryan Lilly for JPW and the Marlins. Okay. Ellis was 11 out of 15 on Ellis. $32 players with college tickets? Okay. KJ Harrison. Limos, 149. Oviedo. Torres, 299. For KG and the Yankees. And Rincon out of 75 for Reds. Joey Morgan. Sosa out of 25. That's JPW. Gutierrez. Garcia and Guzman for JPW and the Rangers. And Evan Steele for Trevor and the Royals. Joe Adell. Acuna out of 200. Cruz. Kirtley out of 100. For Derek and the Cardinals. And Morgan Cooper for Reds and the Dodgers. Diekman, Vasquez, Geraldo, Garcia out of 35. As JPW and the Marlins. And Bryce Johnson out of 75 for JPW and the Giants. C's. Flores out of 99. Valerio. Brendan Little out of 100. For C. Cabral and the Cubs. And Tarnock out of 75. For Trevor and the Braves. Man, they did. I forgot who the Red Sox hit was, though. Lukes, Barria, Valerio, Torres 149 for KG and the Yankees. And Buddy Kennedy out of 50 for Chris and the Diamondbacks. Royce Lewis, Buffett out of 99, Lopez, Aguiar, and Hernandez. So that would be, have to random that one. New York and then International. Ernie Clement for Renegade and the Indians. Acuna, Antuna out of 75, Sosa, Miles Straw for KG and the Astros, and KJ Harrison for Makers and the Brewers. Warmoth, Marte out of 200, Sanchez, Luis Ortiz for the Brewers, 4 out of 5. As Makers. And Fabian out of 25 for JPW in the international spot. Jacob Pearson, Evan Steele out of 100, Flores, Brett Netzer for Endapal and the Red Sox out of 100, and Blaine Enlow 2 out of 10 gold for the Twins. That's C. Cabral. Busby, Jerez out of 200, Vasquez, another Torres, 299 for KG and the Yankees, and Buddy Kennedy for Chris and the Diamondbacks. Denond, Trevor Rogers, 150, Baez, Oviedo, and Bader for the Cardinals for Derek. And Tanner Scott out of 75 for Reds and the Orioles. Brendan McKay, Lopez to 99, Urseg, Kirtley for Derek and the Cardinals, and Vientos for Derek and the Mets. Varsho, Hurtado out of 75, Hernandez, Torres out of 35. That's KG. I want you to be a patch. And Fabian out of 75 for JPW. Trevor Rogers. DL Hall, 200. Fabian Lutz for Makers and the Brewers. And Quentin Holmes out of 25 for Renegade and the Indians. Yeah, that's the second one I guess we got. I just thought it's definitely patch card thickness. Morgan Cooper. Warmoth out of 200. Myers. Torres is all over this stuff. Torres, 149. For KG. And Valerio out of 25 for Reds West. Mackenzie Gore. Hyura 150. Garcia. O'Neill and Robles, Mariners and Nationals. And Blake Hunt for KG and the Padres. Tommy Doyle. Joe Adell to 99. Connor Wong. Trenton Kemp out of 25 for Endapal and the Red Sox. And Ernie Clement for Renegade. Six cases without seeing a... Wow. Kennedy out of 75. Luciano. Tyler O'Neill out of 35. That's JPW and the Mariners. And Cole Brannon out of 50 for Endapal and the Red Sox. That is the second Clement. Peterson. Soto out of 250. Brendan Murphy. C's out of 100. That's JPW. And KJ Harrison. Second Harrison too. For Makers and the Brewers. Right, it was C's, Harrison, O'Neill, Brannon, Kemp, Clement, Hunt, Torres, Valerio, Lutz, Holmes, Fabian, Kirtley, Vientos, Oviedo and Bader, Scott, Torres, Kennedy, Netzer, Enlow Gold, Ortiz 4 out of 5. Fabian, Straw, Harrison, Clement, Torres, Kennedy, Little, Tarnock, Garcia, Johnson, Kirtley, Cooper, Guzman and Garcia, Steele, Torres, Rincon, Nito, Lilly, Ellis out of 15, Halpin out of 24, Cracked Ice, Vaughn, Adams, Fairchild, Maiton, Smith, Pearson, Baz, Morgan, Acuna, Baez, Smith, Marte, Reyes, Busby, Rodriguez, Peralta, Peterson, Vlad, Swaggerty, Corey, Tucker, Senzel, Kopech, Tommy Doyle, Hazley, Gordon, Koch, who's that one? Diaz, Garcia, Wright, Denond, Oviedo, Paredes, Adams, Waters, Fido, Lund, Mars, Valeria, Tavares, Crawford, Marinez out of 10, Guschetti, Nito, Burks, Bader, Swaggerty, Gore, Gordon, Adams, Denond, Sheets, Fowler, Waters. Then we have the O'Neill and Robles, left random, Mariners and Nationals. Hernandez and Aguiar, International and Yankees. Kuna out of 100. Excuse me. And Torres out of 35. Oh, and 600 points. All right, somebody give me a number 2 through 10. We'll go points. Hernandez and Aguiar, and then O'Neill, Robles. There is 10. Yeah, we have the other half of the case still. There's still a lot more to go. 9 times. This is for all of them. Good luck. First one's points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. See Cabral getting 600 points. Next one is Hernandez and Aguiar. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 going to the Yankees. And then last one is O'Neill and Robles. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Going to the Nationals. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining. Thank you for filling that up.